G'day guys, my name is Miles.
My name is Fez.
And this is The Commodity, and today we are opening a package.
So welcome to our new studio.
Yeah.
Obviously it doesn't look much different. We do have 2 windows this time.
Boom! So, we are planning on doing some stuff. If you want to know further into what we're doing, we are going to let our members, we're going to give you guys a tour of everything that we're doing at this new place and then at my place as well. But this package, for a minute, we were like, well, not for a minute, really for the past couple of days, we were like, what is this package? And as we sat here just now, we started reading on it. This is from Australia, by the way. You'll know that from the title. He read it off to me from a company called Dawn Adventures. And I was like, Dawn Adventures. And I was
I had mentioned it before.
Right.
And you were like, what are you talking about?
Yeah, I was like, damn, we reacted to his video and he commented. And so I just pulled up the comment from Dawn Adventures. G'day, boys. Thanks for checking out my video. I want to say this like in an Australian
right?
accent.
Like, g'day, boys. Thanks for checking out my
Thanks
video.
for checking out my video. I appreciate the positive feedback. And then he goes on to tell us what type of vehicle he has because we asked him in the video. He said, you're spot on. Full-time worker. Unfortunately, lately, it has gotten in the way of the fun stuff. Keep an eye out for upcoming beach videos with him traveling to different beaches in Australia. And he said he was going to send us some shirts in the mail. He asked us what size. And so that completely makes sense as to why we have a package labeled shirts. We said, thanks, man. Hopefully we can hook you up with some subs. You deserve it for sure. Based off of Google, my American size would be 2X. So Australia would be 6XL. Fez would be a 4XL in Australia, I suppose. I'm hoping that American to Australian shirt sizes do convert to that. That's what Google told me. I'm losing weight, so I'm actually now to a 1XL, but I like loose-fitting shirts.
Yeah, there's something comfortable to it.
Yeah, but he responded back and said, I got my normal 2 weeks of subs in 1 day, so thank you.
Can we do it again? That's the question.
Guys, we are going to tag Dawn Adventures in the description below. Please go subscribe to his channel. He 100% deserves way more than 876 subscribers. If any of you guys enjoy watching our videos of us reacting to other beach videos or different sites in Australia, we're going to be reacting to a lot of his videos once he starts posting because he is very, very, very talented. So guys, go check out Dawn Adventures 100%. This is a pure plug. For sure.
Yeah. We're not ashamed of it.
Yeah, no, 100%.
And he didn't ask us for this.
Yeah, like we didn't ask for this, and he just asked us what size we were.
Yeah, he's not asking for us to plug him or anything like that. But when somebody does something so good or deserves the praise and the props and all that kind of stuff, then we're gonna give you a shout out no matter what. And we've done it to multiple channels.
Yeah.
And we appreciate the people that already did subscribe to them because I'm sure that made him feel really good.
Yeah.
It makes us feel good. It makes us feel like we've got some kind of like, hey.
Well, I just saw, like I said, we haven't even pulled that video up in a while. I haven't looked at the comments, and I just noticed his comment 3 weeks ago that says he got normal 2 weeks of subs in 1 day. So that's awesome. So guys, let's do it again. But let's check out these shirts. It's not our normal Australian unboxing with snacks and things like that. This is a pure just friendship unboxing.
I'm over here ripping the whole thing up.
And I believe this should have...
And we're keeping this studio very clean, so I'm going to put that there and then it's going to go into the
Alright. So let's see. I think this has... I want to say it has his logo on it. So all 4 of them, it looks like, are XLs. So that might be perfect if it's American size. And if not, I know for a fact we'll find good use out of them with our family members.
Oh, sweet. Like board shirts or whatever you call it.
Oh, yeah.
I like it.
Yeah, that definitely looks like it'll fit.
Yeah, for sure. Yeah, for sure.
That is dope. I like these. I could wear these when I don't work out. I'll for sure be wearing this on my way home just because, like, this is awesome. This is so awesome.
Thank you so much, Don.
Yeah.
Or we'll call you Don. I don't want to give out your personal information.
Yeah, we don't want to. I don't know if you want.
Oh, and this one's like a regular T-shirt. Oh yeah. How great is that? I love it.
For sure. Yeah. I'm going to wear this cutoff on the way home. It's like 50 degrees Fahrenheit outside right now, so it should be perfect. That's amazing.
Here, hand it to me. Nope, hand it to me.
Well, I was going to pick it up after the video.
Nope, hand it to me.
He says we're not making this studio messy like the last one.
Yeah, the last one was horrific. We made a mess. Like right now, all we have is a bunch of like my
Boxes
stands and stuff.
Yeah.
That we just need to find a spot for.
Yeah, this is awesome. And then, hey mate, are you the champion who suggested the video to the boy? Oh, awesome. I see that Daniel Barron, the one that actually suggested it, then Don Adventures commented back, hey mate, are you the champion who suggested the video? Yes, mate, I am. Was the best one I found. Was the best one I found.
Yeah,
highlighted
you
those
sound
awesome
like a bad guy. Hello. Welcome, mate.
Oh, he said he'd send him a shirt too. That's so awesome.
That's badass.
Yeah. Don, not going to call you by your real name. Again, don't know if you want that out there, but thank you so much. We truly appreciate it.
It means the world.
This is like from the bottom of somebody's heart, kind of just helping out. So we truly appreciate it 100%.
Guys, go subscribe.
Please.
To Don Adventures. We'll put the link down in our description again. Also, down in our description is the link to our Discord. That's the best place to put ideas for videos. There's an entire section just for that. But of course, if you want to help us out a lot, if you enjoyed this video, hit the like button. It's going to get out to more and more people. And of course, if you want to see our future videos, hit the subscribe button, the bell notification. If you want to support us directly, hit that join button. And with that being said,
my name's Miles.
My name's Fez.
Thanks for watching, mates. Mite. Boys.
Peace.
Women. Out. Oot. Sorry.